Hey, so hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your slime slim thick. All you need is baby powder and some soap. Bar soap, doesn't matter, any soap. Okay, I know this is going to be a short video, but who cares? So first you're going to stretch your slime out. Stretch the slime out. Everything. I'll add a little bit of baby powder. Wait, it's not open. There. Doesn't matter how much you add. And add the soap on top of that, and then add more baby powder. Add another coat if you can. More baby powder. Now you're gonna mix this up. And then it should be, and like once you stretch it out, you may need to add lotion or water. Thank you. Okay, thank you, assistant. And then there you go. So, and if it's not there yet, just keep on doing it. Because like mine, I added a lot. Trying to get in the frame. Okay, there. Add some of this right here. Get it all in there. Yeah. This still doesn't work, then your slime is ruined. JK, it isn't. First step is to make your slime, of course. And so it should be slim thick. And like you can stretch it. And it's going to become super stretchy if you add some lotion and water too. Just that little bit of cold and warm water. It's going to become so stretchy when you add the mixture. And so yeah. That will be it, guys. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you like this recipe. And yeah. Bye.